Hey guys, Junger here. I want to talk to you today about data that you can collect on your website. Now look, obviously we have ability through Google Analytics and other stat tracking programs to collect a ton of data on people who come to our websites. Who they are, where they're coming from, what they're looking for, what they're doing on the site, what browsers and devices that they're using. There's a lot of information that we can collect. And one of the things that I'm always talking to clients about is saying that we can collect all of this data, but that's not really the important thing. The important thing is what do we do with that? What kind of analysis can we do on the data to say, hey, here's what we're seeing people are doing. How should we respond to allow them to do the things that they need to do even better? Are there changes that we need to make? Are there goals that we have that aren't being met based upon what we're seeing with the data? It is easier than ever to collect so much data about your website if you are doing that without the context of what's the goal of the website, what's the goal of the user, what's the goal of collecting all this data, then you're just going to be overrun with numbers that really don't mean that much. So anytime that you're collecting data, if you're getting regular reports, if you're checking in Google Analytics to see how things are going, you have to look at it in the context of what's the purpose of the website, what's the goal of the users, what is our organization's goal with everything. So it's great to see numbers. If page views go up, maybe that's great if you've got a business based upon the number of page views that you have. If you have conversions that are going up, great. That's probably good if you're obviously tracking different conversions. Make sure you understand what the purpose of your data is and what you're really trying to collect before you just start sucking in all the data that you can and making decisions kind of in a vacuum without thinking about the broader context. Talk to you guys later. Hey, we do these videos every week. If you like what you're hearing, be sure to subscribe on YouTube and make sure you follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram at DGTLNK. Let us know in the comments what it would be helpful for me to explain next.